Okay, very weird one here. So, don't know where to start. Let's start from the weirdest thing about all of this. So this kit of memory from Patriot, like comes with two different, from two different manufacturer, Micron on one DIMM and Hynix on the other one, and the label has the matching serial number, so they actually came together, and I don't have any reason why they wouldn't. So I modified. These were 3200 certified kit sticks. Sorry, and I modified the SPD. I think was one of my first revisions. First time I actually did that. I don't think, maybe I didn't even modify them. I just copied the SPD from this other kit, that is 3600 CL18, and had them working together on a machine. And I remember even back then I had problems with stability because this kit, like at the rated XMP, needs FAW to be 40 to work. If you lower this to 32, it doesn't work at 1.35. I need to bump it to 136 volt to be able to lower the TFAW. And it also comes with an insane refresh cycle time of 900 on the XMP. So let's see if I can read the XMP. Okay, so SPD check doesn't work on this Intel platform, so I can just go to the BIOS and set auto for the TRFC, and it will show 900 and something, and that's the default refresh interval for those sticks. And even now I'm having problems with 600, 700. Yeah, 680 didn't work. 720 is now stable, and I'm running in 136. The FAW28 at 3200. I don't have the original XMP. I have lost it. I don't know what the default FAW was for 3200 transfers, but yeah, I was like having awful results with this kit, and I was just looking for some like stable settings at 3200 because this CPU needs an insane system agent and I/O voltages to run 3600, more than 1.2 volts. We're on a 8700 CPU, and yeah, I just found out that these modules came with different vendors. That was kind of strange, really strange. And you cannot even read which exact die for the Micron one. I'm gonna just now shut down the system and just look at the physical modules. And here you can see the serial numbers, the label is matching. So that's how they came from factory. And it also seems like the PCB are the same. I can see that the ICs are in the same positions, and they're the same as the bottom ones. So that's why I decided to I thought they were the same. I thought they were the same sticks, basically, at different ratings, and they indeed are stable at the same settings. Just don't touch anything. Like if you lower the TRFC, if you lower the FAW, they would crash. And of course, when they were running I was running 4 of them on 10,900K. I think I need 1.1 volt to 1.15 volts, more than 1.1 for sure, to run them. I don't remember exactly. It was like this machine was disassembled like 2 years ago, after 2 years of service as a Hackintosh. And yeah, I just found out this weird thing because I was now actually going to sell them separately in different machines. I just wanted to check back these at 3200 and find out this. And yeah, that's all for the video, I guess.